Welcome to how to WhatsApp photo not save in gallery. So in this video we are going to show you how to WhatsApp photo not save in gallery. So before the start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So basically what I'm trying to say here is, if someone has sent you an image in WhatsApp and you downloaded that image, but that image is not saved in your phone gallery, so how you can do this? So if you can see here that I just downloaded this picture here, and if I open up my gallery here, you can see that I have this picture here. Okay, so if this is not the case with you, what you're gonna have to do, you will open up that specific chat, then you will go into the settings of that chat, and you will basically see this option here where it says save to photos, and make sure that never is not selected here. It should be default or it should be always, because if never is selected here, then if you download any picture or any video from this specific chat, it will not be saved in your phone's gallery. So you need to make sure that it should be always or it should be on. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.